Hi guys, welcome to today's video. By the way, the video might be a bit short today because I don't have that much percentage on my headset. So today we're gonna be a chef and we're gonna be creating a Gordon Ramsay meal. First we have to turn off this on. There we go. I'm gonna do this. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, big sausage. Wiggle, I'm sorry. By the way, I finished all the missions in I Am Cat. So if you ever wonder how to finish the missions, just tell me. Just say in the comments. By the way, my brother is not ill anymore, so that's good. Oh. So you'll be able to make videos. That he is currently recording and editing a video currently. And my sister is playing around with her boyfriend. That sounds so weird. What's this? Touch. I'm in the thick of it, everybody. Hey, Granny. Bon appetit. Granny. Bon appetit. Hey, Granny. Bon appetit, these balls. Big brain. Oh wait, no, that sounds like a compliment.
You could be fun job for me.
You could be fun job for me. Oh my god, dude. No, I don't care. Oh, dude, my controller. Nice. Okay, thanks. I actually have a high score of 41, so try to beat that. I'm gonna be playing I Am Cat VR, but I'm gonna be nice to Granny. Now she actually tried attacking me, so I had to knock her out if you're asking. I'm gonna cut the cheeks, what if I? But look at that gear. She does not know about brain rot. Guys, boo her. Boo, yeah, boo. Editing.
How's it an asking?
Hey, Granny.
How's it an asking?
I'm so. Hello. Come here, Granny.
How's it an
I'll give you 2
asking?
plates. Okay, fine. I'll stop chucking plates at her. No. Okay, this is my
How's
meal.
it an asking?
Should you clap yourself?
You've got a job for me.
Sorry, you already did that. Okay. Cooking my meat. And then... Quickly, get off! Okay, we got it off. And now, wow, that's a rusty meat. Hold on, guys, I have to... Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I just had to do some toilet business. Damn, that's a running shit. I'm sorry. Okay, so all the... Oh, we beat it, I'm cat. Okay, this video is going to be about me talking about to talk about the updates and the full release of I Am Cat. Now, first I'm going to move on to theories. My theory is, if you actually get I Am Cat VR, but for early access, you'll get a set. I also did some things while I was off recording. Anyways, if you if you actually get the game, when it's early access. Plus, I heard about from a YouTuber. I forgot his YouTube channel name, but still, if I knew his YouTube channel name, shout out to him for telling me all the information. So we have a release date though. The release date, it will happen somewhere on December somewhere on December, but then a few days later, the developers have released a statement on Discord that they have a real release date, and they said I'm Caviar full release will come out on December the 5th. On December the 5th, so I'm pretty sure it's in 21 days or 20 days. So if you're excited for this update, mark your calendars. Well, you can do it on your phone or something. I'm not really sure who uses calendars in 2024. So yeah, my theories are. But before I get to theories, one more thing. The things that are coming in this full release is multiplayer, skins for your cat instead of being orange, and then you have accessories which you can put on your cat, which will actually be kind of cool. Since you can only put accessories on Grandma at the moment. And then there will be bug fixes and and if you look on this TV, there will be new locations. That one is a mechanic shop. What else? This one is a village. What the hell? Okay. And then next one, and this one's gonna be a butcher's. This one's gonna be a butcher. Little thingy for butchers. Now my theory is, for the accessory, if you get early access, if you play the early access of I'm Cat, which is what I'm playing right now, you'll get an accessory from the game because you played for early access of the game, which obviously what I might get. So it might be a early accessory and there might be an early access accessory, just like Gorilla Tag. Yeah. My next theory is that old man might be Grandpa. Who knows? If you don't know the old man, I would rather, I would rather go to the I'm Caviar Discord and check their announcements, and it should show you a list of new NPCs. The NPCs is a butcher, a mechanic, a dog, and a pink-haired girl. And this pink-haired girl is speculated to be our neighbour, which is in this house, which I think is in that house. Well, actually, it's not going to be in any of these houses. It's going to be in another town. But she is going to be our neighbour. Next. So we already know the roles of the NPCs. The butcher is a butcher, the mechanic NPC is a mechanic, and then the pink-haired girl might be our neighbour in the village. And then the doggo is the butcher's dog. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows.
Yes, it's an ash cat. You okay?
Just step the teeth out. That's gonna be you in the future. I'm sorry. I mean, that's gonna be you in the future if you don't subscribe. I'll give you time. Okay, you did it. I have no patience, alright? Just stab Granny with this. Ooh, my favorite. Oh my god, Granny did not hear me moan. You're gonna pay fine for me. You could be fine for me. You could be fine Joe for me. Hey, Grandma, find your balls. Grandma, find your ball. Because you don't have none. Eat. So delicious. Pranked. I'm gonna cook a nice delicious meal. Oh, it tastes really good. Okay. You could buy for more crunchy feces. You could see 5 kisses. Cussy for cussy feces. You have no businesses.
You're getting fine for me.
Granny, sit on me, what? Pick me up, pick me up. It's juicy this time. You fat cow. You ate.
You're getting fine for me.
Granny, you want some poops? Hey, Granny, you want some perfectly cooked poops? Yeah, you do. Come on. Charbon Tom Kings. Come on. Pick me up. Okay. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Did I just... Oh my god, I just fucking knocked her out. Did I just kill her? Yo. Yeah. You want poo-poo? Yeah, you want poo-poo? Yeah, you do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you want poopy? Yes, I do. Okay, I'll stop messing around now. Okay, Granny, pick me up, pick me up. Oh, wait, Granny. Okay, okay. So, and my another theory is that when you customize your skins, you're actually playing as another cat. Yeah, and that's all my theories. Now we are going to talk about the new maps and what features and what interactions they have. So, I think if you go to the village, you would be able to climb in those windows. Yo, she okay? Damn, she a baddie. Oh! So I just knocked her teeth out. Yeah, I did. I'm actually standing on. Bunny. Crazy lady. Stay down. Sammy, use that frying pan. Yeah, you're gay. Come on. Come on, Grant. Go on, Grant. Go on, Grant. Go on, Grant. Go on, Grant. Huh, she can't get it. Wait.